Good morning everyone and welcome to Delfin headquarters here in Torino, Italy. Today I will introduce you the lean production system that was founded in Toyota during the 50s and then studied and made it common worldwide during the 90s. The lean production system is an evolution of the mass production system. There are three important features. The first one is to avoid waste in time and in materials all around the factory. The second one is to minimize the no-value activities, such as transport material from a point to another point. You need the material, you cannot eliminate this activity, but you can work to minimize it. And the third one, the key one, is to optimize all the high-value activities. The high-value activities is all the activities that the market recognizes and is willing to pay for. This is a good example on how in Delfin we minimize the no-value activities and optimize the high-value activities. We focus the mechanical assembler to assemble the vacuum cleaner without moving all around the warehouse to looking for components and parts to assemble the vacuum cleaner. So the mechanical assembler is focused on just the high-value activities. And we made a custom trolleys to perform the movement of the parts inside the factory using an operator that will create the kit of the vacuum cleaner, and we perform a specific layout in the warehouse in order that the warehouse operator have to move for few meters to bring all the components to the mechanical assembly. All economic entities have the same basic feature, generating income and profit. To do this, we have to put inside market products with high standard quality, fast delivery, and right prices. And this is why we choose in Delfin lean production system, because by optimizing high value activities, we can achieve this with products with high standard quality, fast delivery, and right prices. The concept of lean production system was adopted in Delfin first time in 2016 with a team of few engineers with an external consumption company helped us to bring the first feature in just one department, the motor assembly line. Then we bring all the features of the lean production system on all the operations area. Now, after 6 years, we can see the improvements. Now we are able to produce up to 300 vacuum cleaners per week, and we save around 600 square meters of our warehouse, and we make more efficient 70% of our space all around the warehouse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and please visit us and watch with your eyes how lean production helped us to be more competitive in the market. Bye bye.